Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. I appreciate you taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because one, it has been a hot minute since I have uploaded a video. I'm sorry guys. I have not had time to film, edit, the whole shebang, but it definitely takes a good group of friends to get you out of those slumps and do a collab video. And I'm so excited because it is the month of May already. Are we really already halfway through 2021? I can't believe it. So May's theme is going to be May flowers, and I feel like flower looks are being super trendy since Michaela recreated one on TikTok. It was a purple look with some daisies. I'm not going to be doing that look. The flowers that I have in mind are similar to daisies. They're cosmos. I thought of this from Animal Crossing. I'm not sure if that's just like a different name for them, but they look very similar. If there is a difference, let me know in the comments below because I'm not a botanist or a gardener, not a flower of expertise over here. So I'm just going to be creating like a fun springy florally look using the Be Perfect Carnival palette. This is definitely one of my most loved palettes in my collection. I even have a big pan in my favorite color, orange, which I never thought would happen. I'm leaning towards the colors yellow, teal, and blue because I have purchased some multi-chromes that are very new to me in my collection. I have Terra Moon and Divina. So I definitely want to give these bad boys a shot. This one right here I think will look stunning. It kind of goes hand in hand. Why I chose the colors from Be Perfect from up here. I just think that they're gonna look so pretty together. I definitely just need to do like a swatch party. Haven't gotten around doing that. If you would like to see one, let me know in the comments below because I can definitely do a short TikTok. I haven't posted a YouTube video in a hot minute. I have been posting some TikToks here and there. Follow me at ayyyeeeitsamanda. I know I need to update my banner up here as a little TikTok symbol. And if you're visiting from any of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Grab a snack, grab your brushes, let's create a look together. I already have my eyebrows filled in and I already have my foundation, concealer, powder setting right now. So we're just gonna dive right into the eyes. Holy crap. This shift is so stunning. Definitely want to take a little bit of this one now. Bitch. I like this combo a lot. Don't mind my fingers. I tried some new hair dye, which didn't do that great of a job. And it was specifically for dark hair, but it's okay. So my fingers are stained a little bit blue. Before I add eyeliner and lashes, I just want you guys to see these beautiful Terra Moon shades on the lids. I need everything else on their website. I cannot stop looking at them right now. Will I be able to complete the rest of this look? The world may never know. So originally I was gonna do like flower freckles. I kind of want to take my look up to the next level. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I thought about my cute little Animal Crossing villagers watering my flowers, so I kind of want to draw one of them on my cheek. I'm not sure how well it's gonna turn out, but if it turns out bad, I'll scrap it. We're going back to the freckles. I know this probably doesn't look like your typical watering can. It's because in my game, I gave Fauna one of the elephant ones. So that's what she has here. And here we are having Fauna watering your Mayflowers. This was so much fun to create. I really wanted to add a third flower, so it looks like she's just like about to water my nose, but it's okay. We understand what is going on here. I don't know why that idea just came to my mind as I was doing my eye look, but I'm glad that I did because she is just so cute and I love Animal Crossing so much. Never got around to review the collection from ColourPop, and Build-A-Bear came out with some Animal Crossing characters as well. Hopefully Fauna will be one in the future. I would totally get that. I would love to know, what are you guys up to this spring? Let me know in the comments below how have you been. I would love to catch up with you, and don't forget to check out everyone else's looks. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.